see how to install Node versions. So basically, I will drop a link into the description, or you can search on the Node. After searching, you just click on here and get Node. So you will redirect it to this particular page. Now, from here, you can choose the versions for the different versions. I will choose the latest one and click on the download. So I will choose the latest stable version. So I will choose this one and click on the Windows installer, right? So I have downloaded it. Now I will delete one of them as it is duplicate. Now I will double click on the link, or sorry, the exe file, then click on the next, automatically install the necessary tools, next, install. So here you can see all the steps has been completed and Node.js has been successfully installed. I will click on finish, any key to continue, allow it. So it is installing all the additional components which Node requires. So let it download the files and just wait. So it is still installing the additional component. So till then I will pause the video. Sorry, let me pause. Hi. So download installation has been completed for the node. So basically this doesn't disappear. This is still showing like installer setup.exe, and I was thinking that it is still in progress, but the node has been completely installed in my system. If you want to verify it, just go to the Windows PowerShell and just write node version v. So here you can see it is 24.13.0, and all the things are working fine. npm it is also showing 11.6.2. so all the things has been completed. It will not disappear automatically, you have to just cancel it. Also, ensure that that particular PowerShell is consuming 0% CPU and 0% disk. So then you can like proceed with the canceling the installation process. Right now, we will also verify node and npm again, and will be, so yes,